New tonight, a Jackson pastor files a lawsuit against some Jackson City Council members for allegedly saying he tried to bribe them with money for a vote regarding a contract dealing with the city's garbage. 12 News' Gary Burton Jr. reports.
Pastor Dwayne Pickett of New Jerusalem Church has filed a lawsuit against Ward 6 and Ward 7 City Councilman and Councilwoman Aaron Banks and Virgie Lindsay.
Aaron Banks told people that I offered him $20,000 and told Virgie Lindsay I offered him $50,000 for a vote or for regarding a contract, which is absolutely not true.
Pickett says Lindsay then told Jackson Mayor Chokwe and Lumumba. The contract in question is with National Waste United, a company Pickett thought what was best for sanitation workers. Pickett says that the last time he and Banks had a discussion was in August, and that discussion was about the FCC Environmental Services, one of the three firms that responded to the city's request for proposals for a solid waste contract.
I can't even fathom in my mind why he would make such an accusation. In my mind, literally, it has kept me up at night.
He says this is painful because he and Councilman Banks' friendship runs 20-plus years, but his priority is to clear his name from these accusations.
It's pretty serious to me because it has to do with my profession, it has to do with my future, it has to do with people trusting, what I say and what I do.
Pickett's attorney, Tremarcus Roseman, says he's prepared to take the steps necessary to clear his client's name.
Mr. Banks and Ms. Lindsay will have an opportunity to answer the allegations in the complaint, and if neither Mr. Banks nor Ms. Lindsay are in a position to do so at this time, my client and I intend to proceed strongly with litigation to recover damages which were caused by their defamation.
Currently, Waste Management will collect the city's garbage through March of 2022, and Pickett, along with his attorney, says that Banks and other members of the council were not interested in any other company obtaining the solid waste contract other than Waste Management. Reporting in Jackson, I'm Gary Burton Jr., 12 News.
In response, Councilman Aaron Banks released this statement. It says, quote, "It is unfortunate that as leaders we find ourselves here when there are so many other issues that we must bring relief for. The gun violence, crime, and homicides, along with sewer overflows and water leaks that constituents face every day is the priority of my office. However, I look forward and I am anxious for the truth to come out in court. I am a bit surprised that this lawsuit was filed simply because it is substantively without merit and a distraction from the actual business of government. But now that I have been named, I anticipate that you will see a vigorous defense, and to that end would refer further comment to my attorney."